As the world shifts towards developing online jobs and work-from-home opportunities, it's now possible that you can certainly get $17 just by clicking using the power of your cursor. It will start out as a cash flow of 30 cents, 50 cents, or even larger amounts like $1, $2, and so on. And it will soon add up to $100, $200, or even $800 in passive income. Remain still and watch the rest of the video because I will walk you through every step of the process, from signing up to viewing and providing examples. After watching this video, you'll definitely be able to click your way to your first $200 to $600. Additionally, I will reveal a secretive technique I have been using that has the power to completely transform your financial situation. Hey, welcome to MoneyTalk, where we discuss everything about money. And for this video, we are going to talk about how to receive $17 per click without limits. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons and be the first to check out our latest videos. So you must be very excited to learn about the website that provides this kind of opportunity, one that allows you to make money from the comfort of your own home by simply clicking on your computer. What person wouldn't adore that? You will receive automatic payments, so I'm eager to share this with you. Just be sure to stick around to the very end of the video so you don't miss anything crucial. Technically, this website offers 25 cents for each and every click. One good news for you is I'll be sharing my advice on how to increase that 25 cents to 50 cents or $1 for each click. Before I reveal the name of the website, you can see here, get paid for every single click. We're gonna pay you for all clicks that you generate and you can earn up to 25 cents per visitor. Let's do the math. If one click costs approximately 25 cents, 200 clicks would equal $50 right away, while 700 clicks would equal $175. That's incredible! And if you watch this video to the end and learn how I got exactly 700 clicks, your work will be easier. So pay attention and don't skip any essential steps. You can try this and start making money wherever you are and whatever nation. Due to the ease of your PayPal account, cashing out is also very convenient. As you can see, this website will give you all the information you need regarding how and when you will be paid. Each month's earnings will all be paid to you in US dollars at the end of the month. All you need to do is enter your PayPal email address and they'll send you your entire payment. The name of the website is, drumroll please, www.entireweb.com. So this website resembles Google a lot. As we all know, Google is a search engine where you can look up and find any information by simply typing what you're looking for. You can enter any keyword you want in the search box at entireweb.com, which is actually the same. So for instance, if you search for how to make money online, you can click the results to see articles, blog posts, images, and videos. The only difference between entireweb.com and Google is that entireweb.com is brand new and offers users a payment of up to 25 cents for each click. So the goal is to get more people to switch from using Google to EntireWeb in order to promote the free search engine. So with that, you can become an affiliate of entireweb.com and benefit from earning 25 cents each time someone uses the search engine or visits any of the website's images. That's all there is to it. All you have to do is urge people to switch from using Google to this free search engine, and you'll automatically start receiving pay per click. Have you heard of the EntireWeb.com before? Let us know in the comments. So how to become an affiliate? Here it is. To become an affiliate, all you have to do is open a tab for the EntireWeb.com and register for a free account. Then when you click the Create Account button, you will be taken to a page where you can enter your personal information such as your username, first name, email address, country, since this website accepts users from all countries, and so on. After providing all the required information, you can check that you agree to the terms and conditions and register for a free account. You can now begin advertising the entire web search engine to everyone using the internet. That is exactly how to do it, and you can now profit from each and every click that they produce. So how can I promote my EntireWeb.com affiliate link? The next website I'll be mentioning is Hercules.com. Here, you can freely promote any link you want to advertise without having to make any kind of initial investment or payment. This is accessible everywhere. Simply open Hercules.com in a new tab and click the button to get started. The exciting part about this is that when you sign up, you'll instantly receive $5 in bonus money. It will then direct you to the Hercules Plus page where you can register for a free account. You only need to enter your username, password, email address, and first and last names. Just be sure to read and accept the terms of service. After that, click I'm Not a Robot to create a free account. You will then be directed to a page where you can choose a membership option. There are free and paid options available. However, you don't need to pay anything or make an investment. Simply choose the free package and the free membership. Click the button and continue for free. It will then take you to a page inside your account from there. So I'm logging into my account right now, and I want you to click this button to follow along with me. As you can see, clicking on this will take us to a page where we can submit our advertisement for free on this website. To submit an email for a web advertisement, simply click on this. Go ahead and scroll down below to find the standard or regular mailer. As you can see, adding a headline, URL link, and the ad body is very simple. Now that you should place entire web as your new search engine, you need to enter that in the subject line of your email advertisements. In other words, that would be the email's headline. Once the subject line is ready, you can add the test URL link, which would be your affiliate link. Since people will always use the entireWeb.com search engine after clicking on your link, you will continually earn 25 cents per click. That is the simplest method for promoting any link you want to advertise. The actual text for the ad body is what you should type next. For example, you can use the link above to access a brand new search engine that performs significantly better than Google itself. Click on the link to learn more. Another tip is to always include the word free in the details because people are more likely to try something out for free without making an initial investment. After that, you can literally send those emails to thousands of people through Hercules.com, and a significant portion of them will eventually click on the link, earning you 25 cents per click repeatedly, and the potential to earn hundreds of dollars or more. There are undoubtedly numerous ways for you to make money online. Just be sure to heed every detail of the process, and you will soon be able to work from home comfortably. Be your own boss and don't get left behind by the latest online hype. So now that you know all of this information, are you ready to receive your passive income? Comment down below so that we can get the conversation going. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Click subscribe and hit that notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. If you want to watch more videos, you can just head on over to our channel to see more from MoneyTalk. See you!